your online social science classes, and I am here, your social science teacher Sangeeta Behra. Hello students, I am back with your online social science classes for the class 8 geography subject and the chapter number 2 and the part number 2 for which chapter, that is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources, right? So students, what we had already studied in previous class or previous part, that is we studied about the examples of Mamba and Peter, two different students who used to stay in two different states, or you can say in two different countries also, and how they are using the resources for their own survival. Okay, so along with that, what we have studied about the land, which is a important resources for the human survival, right? So what we studied in here, land, means what we studied about land in this chapter. Who will tell me? Okay, we will discuss, because land is an important natural resources for the human survival. It covers 30% of the total area in the earth surface. Okay, and rest of all are covered by the ocean floors. Okay, so and in that also very small portion of the land can be used as the habitable purposes. Okay, due to what? Due to the uneven distribution of populations, due to the main mountain areas, low-lying areas, rivers, okay, densely populated areas, like that land are being used for the human survival. And even with that, we also learned about the land use also, right? Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, industrial, mining, forestry, building houses, roads, setting of the industry, like the industrial area. Okay, those are known as what? Land use. Okay, so students, till now we had studied about land, its importance and the land use purposes done by human being. So how the land is classified? It's classified into two main parts, in the private land or the community land. That also we had studied, right? Community land, which is covered by the or owned by the community people, right? Means a group of people who is having their own community, they used to own the community land. And what is the private land? That is individual land. Some individual person may be holding that one, or they can own that land for their own purposes, own private purposes. Okay, so till now we had completed land and land use in the first part, right? So here we concluded with the small portion of this part of the land and land use. Okay, so students, what main thing also happens due to the land use, and why all the 30% of land we can't use? Due to the degradation of lands, due to the landslides, due to the soil erosion, and even the desertification are the major threat for the environment, which is happens due to excess use of land in the construction purposes or in the construction activities. Okay, till now we completed land and its importance with the land use purposes. Okay, see, we will summarize something also through these diagrams. See what we are having before. First, when the human being is not able to build something, then what they use, what use they can use in the land? They use those in the agriculture purposes. Okay, then they had built up the buildings, they have built up the roads, they build up the industries. Like this, the changes happens in the land use over time to time, right? So now we should learn in this part is main is conservation of land resources. How we will conserve the land resources, means land resources को हम लोग कैसे बचा सकते हैं, कैसे उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा उपयोग होगी, खराब होने की दशा में लाने से पहले ही लैंड रिसोर्सेज को बचाया जा सकता है। कैसे बचा सकते हैं बताओ, कौन बताएगा? लैंड को कैसे बचाया जाता है? उसका दुरुपयोग ना करके, है ना। तो हम लोग जब लैंड को बचाना चाहते हैं, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल डू some main things which are used for saving the land resources. What are those? Those are afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticides, and checks on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve the land resources. Okay, like we can discuss again, like afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, and checks on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve the land resources. Okay, so students, here we can able to know how we will save the land resources. How? Number 1, afforestation. Number 2, land reclamation. Number 3, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers. And number 4, checks on overgrazing and some of common methods used for conserve land resources. What is afforestation? Tell me. Afforestation means when we will build a forest in a less organized lands, or we can say less fertile lands. In that area we can do afforestation. We can plant some plantations there to make a small forest there. Okay, मतलब एक छोटी सी जगह में हम लोग जब एक फॉरेस्ट बनाते हैं जहाँ की बहुत ही कम उपजाऊ ज़मीन हो, खाली पड़ी हो, उस ज़मीन को अच्छे से बचाने के लिए हम लोग वहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट का निर्माण कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, कैसे निर्माण करेंगे? बहुत सारे प्लांट्स को प्लांट करके, यानी कि वी कैन डू सम प्लांटेशन देयर. ओके, land reclamation. So students, after afforestation we should learn about land reclamation. What is that? Anybody knows? Let's discuss on that. Land reclamation is the land we have to make suitable for the purpose of agriculture things. Okay, those are unusable lands which is not useful for the agriculture purposes. For that, what we will do? We will raise the water level on the land by storing the waters in that land. Okay, by digging the ponds and storage of rainwater we will do on that land for some months. After that, the land will be prepared for the agriculture purposes. Okay, and according to that, land reclamation will be successful in the most of the agriculture activities. With that, we have to do regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers and check on overgrazing. These are the common methods used to conserve the land resources. Okay, let's come to the point of soil. The thin layer of grainy substances covering the surface of the earth is called as what? Soil. Okay, it is closely linked to land. Landforms determine the type of soil. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth's surface. This happens through the process of weathering. Okay, so what is weathering? Weathering is the process which happens nearly the river areas with the help of water, air and soil. Okay, the right mix of minerals and organic matters make the soil fertile. Like this, weathering also helps because as it brings the deposited soils to the land areas, it also helps in making the soil fertile. Okay, now we should learn about the landslides. What is landslides? आपने कभी देखा है landslides? This is a movement, mass movement of rocks, debris or slope area in the earth's surface. Okay, you can say landslides are simply defined as the mass movement of rocks, debris or earth down a slope. They often take place in conjunction with earthquakes, floods and the volcanoes. Okay, a prolonged spell of rainfall can cause heavy landslide that can block the flow of river for a quite some time. The formation of river blocks can cause havoc to the settlements downstream on its bursting. In the hilly terrain, landslides have been a major and widely spread natural disaster that often strike life and property and occupy a position of major concern. Why the landslides happening? Did you know? Landslides are mostly the mass movement of rocks. It happens due to the process of earthquakes happen in the nearby area. Okay. Due to floods also, these volcanoes also, the landslides are happening if they are having air portion blocked inside the land area. Okay. तो अब तक आप लोगों को क्या पता चला लैंडस्लाइड कैसे होता है? लैंडस्लाइड्स वैसे ही होता है जब यदि किसी अर्थक्वेक एरिया के पास आप लोगों को बहुत ज़ोरदार का अर्थक्वेक का झटका लगे, एट दैट टाइम द लैंडस्लाइड्स आर मोस्टली हैपन इन द नियर बाय एरिया ऑफ दैट अर्थक्वेक पॉइंट. ओके. और मोस्टली क्या होता है जब हेवी रेनफॉल होता है, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो ड्यू टू द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर inside the earth surface happens. At that time also the landslides are being formed out there. Okay. Then let's see some case studies on the landslides. What are those case studies? Mostly in the Himachal Pradesh. Before starting the clear description of the landslide, here we can watch this video through which we can get a clear view of landslide happenings in the mountainous areas and how much it is threatened to the human life, mostly in the mountainous areas. Okay. See this picture which is given in your book. This is a picture of landslide which has happened near a earthquake prone area. Okay. In this, see how the landslide happens in this portion. This is the landslides happen in that area. Okay. So students, check this figure which describes a landslide. Okay. And we will know about some case studies happen in the Himachal Pradesh. A massive landslide hit Pangi village near Rekon PO in Kinnor district of Himachal Pradesh and damaged a 200-meter stretch of old Hindustan Tibet road, National Highway 22. ओके. ये उस विलेज के बारे में बता रहे. कौन सा विलेज के बारे में? पंगी विलेज के बारे में. ओके. विच इज़ नियर टू रेकोंग पियो इन किन्नौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश स्टेट. ओके. विच डैमेज्ड 200 मीटर स्ट्रेच ऑफ ओल्ड हिंदुस्तान तिब्बत रोड. यहाँ पे एक लैंडस्लाइड हुआ था जिसकी वजह से 200 मीटर्स की स्ट्रेच को डैमेज कर गए थे. ठीक है. जो कि कहाँ पे है? हाईवे नंबर, विच हाईवे? नेशनल हाईवे, हाईवे नंबर 22 में. ओके. द लैंडस्लाइड वॉज ट्रिगर्ड बाय इंटेंस ब्लास्टिंग एट पैंगी विलेज. ड्यू टू द ब्लास्टिंग दिस वीक जोन ऑफ स्लोप कोलैप्स्ड एंड caused intense damage to the road and the nearby villages. The Pangi village was completely vacated to avoid any possible loss of life. तो जब जिस एरिया में ज़्यादातर लैंडस्लाइड्स होते हैं उस एरिया में क्या किया जाता है? लोगों को खाली कर दिया जाता है ताकि लोगों को बचाया जा सके. ठीक है. तो अब आप लोगों को आइडिया हो गया लैंडस्लाइड आखिर कैसे होता है. आइदर इट्स नियरर टू द अर्थक्वेक प्रोन एरिया, जहाँ पे कि अर्थक्वेक होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं उस जगह पे, या फिर वेयर द हेवी फ्लो ऑफ वाटर ड्यू टू द रिवर हैपन्स एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो नियर बाय एरिया इज कॉज्ड द लैंडस्लाइड. ओके. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, we will know about the mitigation mechanisms also. Advancement in scientific technique has empowered us to understand what factor cause landslides. वो कैसे पता चलता है? मोस्टली द मिटिगेशन मैकेनिज्म से. ओके. एंड हाउ टू मैनेज देम ऑल्सो दे विल इन्फॉर्म टू द पीपल. ओके. सो सम ब्रॉड मिटिगेशन टेक्निक्स ऑफ लैंडस्लाइड्स आर एज फॉलोज. hazard mapping to locate areas prone to the landslides, and such areas can be avoided for building constructions. जिस जगह पे ज़्यादातर लैंडस्लाइड्स होता है उस जगह पे क्या नहीं किया जाता? बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन का कोई भी काम नहीं किया जाता ताकि लोगों की जान माल के नुकसान ना हो वहाँ पे, ठीक है। सो बच्चों, what we will avoid in the landslide area, we will avoid making the building constructions or building settlements in those areas. We will make a hazard mapping, okay, to locate that area to save the people from the landslides, okay. Construction of retention wall to stop land from slipping. Increase in the vegetation cover to arrest landslide. The surface drainage control works to control the movement of landslides along with rainwater and spring flows. Even if you will find landslide in the area of springs, okay, where springs are flows, तो आप लोगों को ये पता चलेगा कि हम लोग लैंडस्लाइड एरिया में क्या क्या नहीं करते। वो किसकी वजह से पता चलता है हम लोग को? मिटिगेशन मेकेनिज्म्स की वजह से, ओके। तो हियर सम ब्रॉड मिटिगेशन टेक्निक्स आल्सो गिवन in your book, which is hazard construction, or you can say hazard mapping, and the construction of retention wall to stop land from slipping. Like this, the picture is there, right? Check. This is the picture of the retention wall where people can save themselves from the landslide. But still, due to this natural calamities, what we can do? We can't do anything, right? Even if the retention wall will be safe or not, that is also we don't know. Anyway, still people used to make or construct the retention wall to stop the land from slipping, okay. So after that, they will increase the vegetation cover also to avoid the landslide, because due to plants they can save the landslide or the slipping of lands, okay. The surface drainage controls work to control the movement of landslide along with the rainwater. Means if the heavy rain is also happens, then also the landslides are happening due to the less vegetation covers, okay. So these are the main points which creates, or you can say which helps in managing the landslide, okay.